All right, boys and girls, this is Jason, JP3motorsports, giving you guys a lesson on FD RX7 evaporators. What we got pictured here are the two on the right are for left-hand drive FDs, and the two on the left are for right-hand drive FDs. So when you're going to be ordering the right-hand drive AC line set kits from us, you're going to have to determine which type of evaporator you guys have in the dash. So I'm going to show you guys how to determine which ones to order. In general, 92 and earlier right-hand drive FDs came with R12, which means they came, if you look at the opening of the fitting, you'll see here on the lines that there's a little step on the large fitting and on the smaller side, which is the same as the FD left-hand drive USD FDs, which all had R12 as well. So you can see the step. This is a Mana system, has a step. Denso system has a step, and the 92 and earlier right-hand drive FDs also had that step. So they have the R12 style fitting. After 93, in Japan, they converted to R134, which means they came with this style fitting where it's just a smooth bore all the way down. So if you open up or disconnect the lines to the evaporator from the firewall, and you look right on the inside of the fittings all coming off the evaporator, if you see a smooth bore, most likely you have a 93 or later right-hand drive FD, and you're going to order the R134 style AC lines. And if you have the 92 and earlier right-hand drive FDs, most likely you have the R12 style fittings. So those are the two ways, or this is the way you can determine which style fitting or lines you're going to order from us. Otherwise, that's if you guys have any other questions or concerns, or need any other questions to figure out what you got, hit us up. All right, thanks.